To create that smooth lock-on stabilization effect you may have seen in a lot of edits, go ahead and get yourself the video and drag it into the timeline. We're just going to let After Effects auto adjust the composition. Ideally, you want to record your video at the highest quality possible, 4K and up, and also at the highest FPS. But once you've got yourself the video, we're just going to open up the tracker panel if you don't already have this open, and get yourself the tracker. And in order to be able to use this effect, you need to select your video, and then this will give you the option to click on Stabilize Motion. What this will do is this will give you a tracking point which you can left click, drag this around, and target a specific area. So we wanted to focus on this area right here. So the first one is the main overall tracking, and if anything goes outside of the first box, it will continue tracking and it won't lose its position. So then once you're happy with the position, we're just going to also trim this video down to around, let's say, 5 seconds. Otherwise, it's going to take a really long time to track it all. And then once you're happy with the position, go ahead and start tracking forwards. The higher the resolution, the longer this can take. If at any point it gets lost or it stops tracking correctly, you can always stop, reposition, and then continue tracking forwards. And then once it's finished tracking, it will look something like this. It will always stay focused on that specific area. We want to click on Apply, make sure it's set to X and Y. And if we have a look at this now, you can see that area will always stay focused and locked on. However, at the moment we have a problem with the video. You can see the edges and the border. So since this video is 4K, we can go to Composition Settings, and then we can lower the quality down to 1080p. So 1920 by 1080. Now the great thing about this is, since we're downscaled, this will now fit it on the screen. You may also need to check and see if there's any other areas. Near the end, it starts to go off screen as well. So we can fix this by pressing S for scale and then just zoom into the video. And then from here, we're just going to center align the video so it's always directly in the center of the screen. You can do this by bringing a ruler, which is Control or Command and R. And then by left clicking, dragging this down, you can get yourself a guideline. And basically with the guideline, you just want to halve the overall position of the video. So for example, since the height of this video is 1080, we want to halve it down to 540. Same goes for the vertical. You want to right click and set this to 960. And this right here is directly in the center of the canvas. By pressing P for the position, we can align this so that the video is nicely centered. And our point was right here. So now if we have a quick preview, you can see we have the video and it looks okay. But we can do one step to make this even better, and that is to go to Composition Settings. And since this video isn't 60 FPS, we're just going to set it to 60, and we're just going to fake in some frames. If you toggle the modes, you can get yourself to this mode right here, which is the frame blending. And if you click this twice, and making sure that this one is enabled, this will basically make this even smoother by adding in some frames in between. So now if we watch this, you can see the video is always centered and focused on this area.